We are connecting our neutral to A2 of the contactor. Okay, so this is our supply. We are connecting our supply. Now I'm connecting my supply to L1. This is a 3-phase contactor, okay, but what we just need now is just a point where our light will be connected. So I'm connecting my supply to L1 of the contactor. Now we are connecting our supply. We are connecting our supply to the selector switch. We are connecting our supply to selector switch. So from the selector switch, we are connecting our out from the selector switch. So now from selector switch, we are connecting to timer. Please remember that our timer connection is 7 and 8 is our timer coil. 7 and 8 is timer coil. So we are connecting supply to 7. We are connecting our supply to 7. So we have to loop from 7 to 8. So we are connecting our second neutral that is coming from the coil A2. We are connecting it to number 2 of the coil, timer coil. Please comment, share my video. Please follow me. 9. Our terminal 9 is normally open. So we are connected from our terminal 9. From our terminal 9 to A1 of the contactor. So I'm connecting from A1 I connect from A1 to L1 of my contactor. So now I have to connect my lighting points. I'm connecting to T1 of my contactor. I'm connecting my lighting point to T1 of my contactor. So now I'm through the connection. This is the connection, this is the finishing of the connection. So now what are we going to do? Let's test to see how it works. So guys, now first of all, let's fix the timer first. And now I'm going to give it okay. It's okay like this. Let's leave it on 10 seconds. Now let's test it to see how it works. Okay, this is the selector switch. Now let's select 10 seconds. Let's wait for 10 seconds to see how it works. Okay guys, you see how it works. So now I have to explain to you guys what is this. This is a contactor, this is a timer, this is a selector switch. This did not made for this light. I'm only using this for load. if you want to know more about this, contactor is not made for light. Now this contactor made for motor, any motor. This is a 3-phase contactor. That's why we have L1, L2, L3. We have T1, T2, T3. This is for 3-phase motor. We can also use for single-phase motor. Like you have your pumping machine, you don't want it to on once the body lights, you don't want it to just start. You can just set it like this. Okay, this time let me set it once I turn on my pumping machine, in next 10 seconds it will peak. Not that the moment you want to turn on your pumping machine, then it start pumping. No. If there's any problem, this guy will not close. If there's any power problem, this guy will not close for your pumping machine to work. So this is a safety for your pumping machine or any other equipment you have, motor, any other equipment, machine. You need something like this, timer to delay and all this. Please, if you are a first time on my Facebook or YouTube, please don't forget to comment, share, and also like. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys. Catch you guys on another video.